Hello everyone, welcome you all in this video. So this is the video assignment of Microeconomics Chapter 4 Consumers Behavior. This is me, Rohini Rainath, registration number 2021731052, and in this very video I'm going to talk about this chapter's 4.2 number topic, which is consumers equilibrium. So, what is actually consumer's equilibrium? So, it's the concept that focuses on how consumers maximize satisfaction or utility by allocating their limited income among various goods and services. So, before understanding this big topic, we have to understand two important topic: indifference curve and budget line. Consumers equilibrium maximize satisfaction with overlay budget line on indifference math to find optimal combo. Equilibrium at tangent point achieves maximum satisfaction within budget. So it's important to understand what is indifference curve and what is budget line. So firstly, we're going to talk about budget line. It represent the different combination of two goods that a consumer can purchase within their income and the given market prices of the goods. It reflects the limits imposed by the consumer's budget. Here we can see the graph of budget line. It's a straight line and negative sloped curve, and if utility is function of x1 and x2, then the mathematical equation of budget line will be p1 x1 plus p2 x2 is equal to y, which is total budget. The next we get indifference curve. Indifference curve shows the various combination of goods that give the same satisfaction to the consumers. Since all the combinations give the same amount of satisfaction, the consumers prefer them equally. Another name of it is ISO utility curve. Here in this table, we can say that in the first column, in the combination A, there is 1 unit of food and 12 unit of clothing. In the next combination, which is denoted by B, there is 2 unit of food and 6 unit of clothing. If we look at the first picture of this slide, then we can see that there with this combination of two goods we get 4 points, and there is a curve which is our expected indifference curve. When we get a set of indifference curve or IC curve, this is called indifference map. In this next slide, we are going to talk about the characteristic of indifference curve. So indifference curves are downward sloping. So in the next point, curves are convex to the origin because of the diminishing rate of substitution, marginal rate of substitution, which will be discussed in the next slide. And the next point, we get curves, and the indifference curves never intersects. It represents its unique satisfaction levels. Here in the next point, we get higher curves denotes higher level of satisfaction. So these 4 points are very important for the indifference curve. The next, the marginal rate of substitution. Marginal rate of substitution states when a consumer increases the consumption of a good, he has to sacrifice consumption of other commodity in diminishing rate. And here we get the graph of marginal rate of substitution, and we can see it's downward sloping. Next, we get consumers equilibrium. here we get what we are going to discuss in the last part of our video. And here is the video, sorry, here is the picture of consumers equilibrium. um, Here you can see there are two, in x-axis there is x good, and in the y-axis there is y good. So there is two combination of two goods. So there are two conditions for consumers equilibrium. So first one is budget line should be tangent to the indifference curve. Second one, indifference curve must be convex to the origin. So we can see in this very graph that there is a budget line which is AB, and there are three indifference curve which is IC1, IC2 and IC3. So we can see that IC1 has cut the budget line in the point C and D. The IC curve 2 has a tangential point and in AB, which is E, and we can see IC curve 3 which has no intersect point in the budget line AB. So the IC1 gives the lowest amount of satisfaction, as the IC1 has cut the line AB in and that lower IC denotes lower level of satisfaction. Then we get IC2 which is tangential to the budget line and also convex to the origin. Then we get IC3 which has no common point and it has an intersect or tangential point with the budget line. So we can say it IC3 is out of the budget line, so it's unattainable, whereas IC1 cutted the AB budget line into different points, so it gives the lower level of satisfaction. So the consumer's equilibrium point is denoted with E. So as the it is the tangential point, so the slope of IC curve and the slope of budget line will be the same. So here we get the point of MRS is equal to the slope of budget line px by p1. So here it was all. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you got some insight about this topic. If you get insight about this topic, then please do like, comment and share. Thank you.